Is your facility up to date on matters of rFlash? Has there been any changes in your power system since your rFlash labels were printed? Hi, I am Fabian with Altus Dexter. rFlash is by no means a static matter, but should be regularly verified. Any new pump or motor, changes in the topology of the power system, or settings of the protected devices could render your rFlash labels inaccurate. The safety of your workers and the compliance of your facility require you to remain up to date in this game. At Altus Dexter, we are pleased to announce the recent release of a completely free desktop app that easily performs rFlash calculations based on the 2018 IEEE Guide for rFlash Calculations, better known as IEEE 1584. The app is very intuitive, and with it, you could complete a fully compliant IEEE 1584 calculation in one single window and in a few steps. It is automated, so only inputs within the limits of the standard can be introduced. You have the option to use millimeters or inches. You don't have to provide an email or fill in any form. Just download the app, install it, and you can use it at your discretion with no limits. Here's how to do it. Click in the supplied link and download the installation file. Go to your downloads folder and run the installation file. You may need to tell your antivirus to allow the execution of it. Click yes when asked, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? This app has been fully verified and certified, and it is safe to run the installation on your computer. When the installer window opens, click Next and follow the prompts. You will be asked to select destination folders for the app itself and for the MATLAB runtime package needed for the app to run. You can keep the defaults and click Next on each. Accept the license agreement of the MATLAB runtime and click Next. Finally, click on the Begin Install button. When completed, click on Close. We hope you find this app useful. If you need assistance with the app or with keeping your facility up to date, safe, and legal on matters of rFlash, send us an email or give us a call. We'll be very glad to help you.